Hotel. It's Carlton in Hong Kong. I live in Hong Kong.
Can I just get by you guys?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You see? Matthew?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's the Ritz-Carlton.
That's the Carlton Ritz with the very highest bar in the world. Is that? I'm just going to hand around and Ken, you're on camera there, so you're the guy. You're the guy that's built 43 hotels.
43
Hotels,
yes. Yeah.
That's
43 hotels. This is number 44.
That's some track record.
And yeah, we have 4 other towers under construction right now.
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously.
Okay.
All with 2-day cycles.
Yeah. 2 days per floor.
So this is the north side. This is the only hotel in New York City that has views of Central Park and Times Square. So let me take you around the other side.
What?
Got some ice, huh, man?
Yeah. It's going very.
Hello.
You're up here.
So it's a different view of Times Square. As you can see that the sign 2013 is right above it is the ball that they drop on New Year's Eve.
Up the top, it's two big concrete tanks of water.
There's a mass tuning damper, which is
it's a
referred to as
damper.
a slosh tank.
Okay.
And within that, there's a 40,000 gallon reserve for the sprinkler system that we utilize. But within the tank, the water is held back by baffles and is released to counter any acceleration movement in high winds that the building may experience.
Okay.
And the reason for that is that the building, which is 70 stories high, sits on a 10,000 square foot footprint. And so it's in essence like a needle.
It's about the size of a domestic building block.
Right, it goes up and it sets back to 65. The roof that we're standing here is only 4,800 square feet, which is the last 35 floors are the same size.
And it's just to avoid that the whipping hitting a resonant frequency and getting out of control.
Today is a relatively mild day.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go to 64? That's all you got.
I'm not sure I agree with having that lopsided approach, because some people of means who come on boards figure I'm just providing a lot of means and that's all I have to do. So one needs the worker bees, if you know what I mean.
I think most boards also have a metric that of board members that they're looking through that include a variety of areas of expertise and areas of interest. And if it's a national organisation, they might be looking for geographic diversity and so on. I've done and served on an organisation where the only criteria for board membership was donor.
Outside to tell you any what we're doing because we're going to be here very easy.
It's sort of a follow-up to that question. Is this the same Venezuela where Chavez was running things for all these years?
I would say yes. I would say
not true.
It's the same thing. It's not different.
So why did he allow you for 30 years to do the work you're doing?
Well, maybe he's afraid of nothing. He doesn't want to attack us. I tell you, we are not been that easy. I mean, I've been thrown out of a company as a president. We have been intervened by the government in many.
It's your company, right?
Yeah. I mean, there's something you have to take. If you believe in what you're doing and you believe in freedom, we have to pay the price for freedom. And I tell you, we don't have anything else to do. If we all the Venezuelans run out and they go out and they look for something else, I mean, we'll be in a very bad situation.
There's
Even
two of
though
us here that were
I
indicted
respect
for
as a-
treason and
I respect as a liberal.
board members.
Yeah,
We were indicted
yeah,
by the government.
yeah.
So it's not that he left us alone.
So it's lazy. You have to assume the opportunity for them to decide what they want to do. I have a daughter who lives in Miami. I have two older three who live in Venezuela, but I cannot tell them to stay or not. I'm not criticizing people who go out. I mean, it's very hard to work in a situation like this. But somebody has to get the guy right out of the guy. So some of us maybe have the lucky number, and we're the ones who have to do it.